Hey there, welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most amazing and jaw-dropping true stories from all over the world. Today we're going to be exploring a question that has fascinated scientists and ocean lovers alike for centuries. How did the mighty Megalodon evolve? Join us on this incredible journey through time as we uncover the secrets of one of the largest creatures to ever exist on our planet. The name itself evokes images of an ancient underwater monster, and rightfully so. But have you ever wondered how such a creature came to be? What evolutionary forces shaped the Megalodon into the ultimate apex predator? Let's dive in and find out. Some stayed small, while others grew larger, exploiting the abundant food sources in the oceans. One particular species of shark is believed to be the common ancestor of all modern sharks, including the mighty Megalodon. First, the warm climate of the Miocene may have sped up the growth rate of sharks, allowing them to reach gigantic proportions. There were also several species of giant whale sharks that were its rivals. These massive filter feeders were perfectly adapted for the warm waters of the epoch, and they competed with the Megalodon for food. However, the Megalodon eventually came out on top, becoming the largest shark species in the world. Second, the abundance of food in the oceans provided the Megalodon with the necessary resources to sustain its massive size. About 3.6 million years ago, the Pliocene epoch began, and with it, the Earth's climate began to cool. Smaller, more agile sharks were able to outmaneuver it, and the Megalodon was ultimately driven to extinction. Its reign may have been short-lived, but its impact on our planet is undeniable. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. We hope you learned something new, and maybe even got a little closer to understanding the incredible natural world around us. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Today, we can find the remains of Megalodons in places like Japan, North America, and Europe. Their fossilized teeth and vertebrae are a reminder of the truly epic creatures that once roamed our oceans. This caused the average ocean temperature to drop by about 1 degree Celsius, and it had a profound impact on the Megalodon. Suddenly, the waters that the Megalodon called home were not as hospitable as they once were. The abundance of prey also declined, and the Megalodon found itself struggling to survive. Finally, the lack of natural enemies meant that the Megalodon could grow without being kept in check by predators. This ancient shark was about the size of a great white shark today, but it had the same basic features. It was fast, it was deadly, and it was the apex predator of its time. The Megalodon is an absolute unit, a colossal shark that dwarfs even the largest whale. We'll start by casting our nets back in time, to the early days of shark evolution. Sharks have been around for a long time, and we mean really long. They first appeared in our oceans about 100 million years ago, and they've been terrifying swimmers ever since. This was the time when the Megalodon truly evolved and dominated the oceans. During the Miocene, the Earth's climate was much warmer than it is today, and the oceans were teeming with life. There were plenty of large whales and other marine mammals for the Megalodon to prey on, and it grew larger and larger until it reached its maximum size. In the beginning, sharks were much smaller than their modern counterparts, but they had the same basic body plan that we see today. You know, the one that makes them so incredibly efficient predators. Their cartilaginous skeleton, which is lighter and more flexible than bone, gave them an advantage in the water. It made them quicker and more agile than their bony fish counterparts, allowing them to chase down prey with ease. As the ages rolled on, sharks diversified, branching out into all shapes and sizes. Now, let's fast forward to the Miocene epoch, which took place about 23 million years ago. Scientists believe that it was due to a combination of factors. But why did the Megalodon grow so big? The Megalodon wasn't the only large shark during the Miocene. Unfortunately, the reign of the Megalodon didn't last forever. The Megalodon, a creature of legend, evolved over millions of years from humble beginnings to become the apex predator of the oceans. As the Megalodon's numbers dwindled, it became more vulnerable to competition and predation. So there you have it, folks.